Hi guys, good morning. Update lang ako ng aking ina-upload sa YouTube. Kahit na apat lang yung aking subscriber, okay lang. I just want to flex again my souvenir stuff I bought when we were in Santorini 2011 with MS Black Watch of Fred Olsen Cruise Line. Ito guys yung nabili ko doon na fridge magnet at saka yung bestida na 20 euro yan, or $20, 20 pounds, I don't know, I am not sure what's currency they are using. Yan ang aking mga, at saka yung dress na to, at saka itong fridge magnet, at saka yung cards, yung experience ko doon, isa sa mga best experience in a lifetime. I rode in a cable car, and I miss the donkey. Kasi din-joke ako ng mga kasama ko, hindi ako kaya ng donkey. Okay, no problem. In these charts guys, ito yung symbol ng Santorini. Yung maliit na church nila doon, talagang hinanap ko. Yung city kasi ng Santorini nasa ibabaw. Tapos tumayo ako sa pinakatuktok ng doon. Tsaka inimagine ko yung Tira Group of Islands na sa tanang buhay ko marating ko. Santorini is one of the amazing place I have ever seen. Yung mga tourists doon, almost 10,000 a day yan with cruise ships guy. I was there twice pero I only got to go ashore one time. I met a very nice Greek lady in the store wherein I bought this. See, okay guys, ilang flex ko lang. The first time I wore this dress, I wore this in Praha, Cape Verde. We were there, I think that was one of the group of islands in Brazil. I enjoyed Santorini so much guys. Very nice view, and everywhere made sure that I will get the souvenir to remember. I had souvenir pictures, but I don't know kung nasaan na sila, kung nasa album ko. Kaya lang nandito sa aking hindi ko na masyado mahalungkat. So, I only do a 3-minute video, okay guys, of sharing, because I am taking care of my mom who got stroke. So, and beside the internet here in our place is slow. Okay, good morning. I'm just sharing. This is from my friend who gave this to me. Ripe papaya. Good morning.